How to delete your Facebook account permanently on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove your account and all associated data for good. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. After that, tap the three lines at the top left of your profile page to open the menu. At this point, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Following this, scroll down and tap Account Center. From here, tap Manage Accounts at the bottom. After that, tap Manage right beside your Facebook account. At this stage, tap Deactivation or Deletion. Following this, select Delete Account, the second option, then tap Continue. From here, you'll see a notice that any pages you manage will also be permanently deleted along with your account. Keep that in mind before moving forward. After that, tap Continue and select your reason for leaving, then tap Continue again. At this point, you'll have the option to download a copy of your data before deletion. It's worth doing this if you want to keep a record of your photos, messages, or any other content. Following this, tap Continue Deletion and enter your password to confirm. Finally, keep in mind that you have a 30-day grace period after confirming. If you change your mind, log back in within that window, and you'll be able to cancel the deletion before it becomes permanent. That's how you permanently delete your Facebook account on Android. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Catch you in the next one.